I'm going to show you a method that many people have used to earn hundreds of dollars per month. And this is completely real, step by step, without any hype or exaggeration. In this video, I'm not giving empty promises and I'm not selling dreams. I'm going to show you clearly and practically how you can create a book using BookBolt, publish it on Amazon KDP, which is a platform for buying and selling books. And if you do it correctly, make money from it. With this tool, you can even prepare a real book for publishing in less than a minute. And you can create all kinds of books, including notebooks, journals, coloring books, activity books, and storybooks, without needing design experience, printing, storage, or any initial investment, because the whole system works with print on demand. Right now, we are going to test it, enter BookBolt, explore exactly what it offers, and see how we can find ideas. And as always, the link to the tool is in the description for you to follow along. Once you enter the site, you first need to log into your account, or create a new one if you don't have it. And after logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, where all the tools and features are organized clearly for you to use. On the left side of the dashboard is the research section, which includes product search, where you can find existing books on Amazon, analyze them, discover new ideas, understand the depth of the market, search for keywords, analyze competitors, and write your own success formula based on real data. The next tool is like a spy called Book Scout, which takes the ASIN of a competitor's book and shows you the keywords that made it visible and successful, meaning you can use these strong keywords, or even better ones, to make your own book more visible and increase your chances of selling. The favorites section lets you manage your favorite products, keywords, and categories. Keyword search helps you find the exact phrases buyers use on Amazon and Google. Movers and shakers shows you new opportunities in the market. Evergreens helps you find products that sell consistently all year round. And the book archive lets you see the top-selling low-content books every day, so you can quickly understand trends and hot niches. KDP categories helps you find the best Amazon category for your book by entering a keyword, showing you exactly where your book should be categorized to get maximum visibility and higher sales chances. Now we move to the main part, creating your own book, where you enter the studio, log in again if needed, set your project details, and you can also use BookBolt assistance to guide you through every step of the process. You define your project type, like paperback, hardcover, cover only, inside only, or both, and even a custom option for specific projects. Then choose between low content for books with less text that focus on design like notebooks, journals, planners, or coloring books, or AI story generator, where AI generates the story and content based on your input, perfect for quickly creating stories or full storybooks. After choosing your project type, you fill in the project name, book size, page type, paper type, whether it has bleed or not, and the number of pages, and then the AI generates the story, and you can specify additional details like language, age group, story template, character trait, moral or lesson, and any extra prompt to make the story more engaging. Next, you set up your character, choosing a human, animal, or robot, name, age, eye color, skin tone, hair color, outfit colors, and style. Then pay for the generation credit, and your character is created exactly as you want it. Then you review and edit your book content page by page, generate images for each page using the enhanced option for higher quality, adjust the layout, font, text size, alignment, colors, and finally define a cover. Edit anything you want, and after finishing, you can upload your book to Amazon KDP, making it ready for sale and starting your income journey. As you can see, with BookBolt, you can create a book, design the interior and cover, generate story content with AI, all step by step without design experience or upfront investment, and your book is ready to sell directly on Amazon KDP. If you want to start earning in dollars from low content or storybooks, click the link in the description, sign up, create your first book, and share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video, my digital friend.